Agroforestry is a special way of farming. It combines trees with crops and animals. This mimics natural ecosystems and is healthier for the environment. Agroforestry is a key part of sustainable agriculture. It helps us grow food while protecting our planet. Traditional farming often harms the environment. Agroforestry offers a solution by creating a balanced ecosystem. This approach benefits farmers and the environment. It's a win-win for everyone involved. For years, farms have been mostly open fields, stretching as far as the eye can see. These vast expanses of land have been the backbone of traditional farming practices for generations. This method is known as monoculture, where only one type of crop is grown over large areas. While it can be efficient for producing large quantities of a single crop, it comes with significant drawbacks. Monoculture depletes the soil of essential nutrients, making it less fertile over time. To combat this, farmers often resort to using large amounts of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, which can harm the environment. In contrast, agroforestry offers a more sustainable approach. Agroforestry integrates trees and shrubs into agricultural landscapes, utilizing diverse systems like alley cropping, forest farming, and silvopasture. These methods not only improve soil health, but also enhance biodiversity and resilience. In alley cropping, rows of trees are strategically planted with crops growing in the alleys between them. This system provides multiple benefits, such as reducing soil erosion, improving water retention, and offering habitat for beneficial insects and wildlife. Forest farming takes advantage of the natural shade provided by trees to grow shade-loving plants like mushrooms, herbs, and other understory crops. This method mimics natural forest ecosystems, promoting a healthier and more balanced environment. Silvopasture combines trees with livestock grazing, creating a symbiotic relationship where animals benefit from the shade and shelter provided by the trees, while the trees benefit from the natural fertilization and soil aeration provided by the animals. These diverse agroforestry systems are more sustainable than traditional monoculture practices. They not only improve the health of the land, but also provide multiple sources of income for farmers, making agriculture more resilient to economic and environmental challenges. By leaving the old ways of monoculture behind and embracing agroforestry, we can create a more sustainable and prosperous future for farming. Agroforestry is like creating a forest on your farm. It's a sustainable land management practice that combines agriculture and forestry to create more productive and sustainable land use systems. By integrating trees and shrubs into crop and livestock systems, we can enhance biodiversity, improve soil health, and increase resilience to climate change. Trees help improve soil health. Their roots penetrate deep into the soil, breaking up compacted layers and allowing water and nutrients to reach deeper levels. This not only benefits the trees, but also the crops and plants growing around them. Their roots prevent erosion and add nutrients. By holding the soil together, tree roots reduce the risk of landslides and soil erosion, especially on slopes. They also contribute organic matter to the soil, enhancing its fertility and structure. Trees also act like giant sponges. During heavy rains, they absorb and store large amounts of water, which helps to reduce flooding and runoff. This water is then slowly released back into the environment, maintaining a more consistent water supply. They absorb rainwater, reducing runoff and improving water retention. This is particularly important in areas prone to drought, as it helps to maintain soil moisture levels and supports the growth of crops and other plants. With more trees, we get more biodiversity. Trees provide habitats for a wide range of species, from insects and birds to mammals and fungi. This increased biodiversity creates a more resilient ecosystem that can better withstand environmental stresses. Birds and insects return, creating a natural balance. These creatures play crucial roles in pollination, pest control, and seed dispersal, contributing to the health and productivity of the entire ecosystem. Most importantly, trees capture carbon dioxide from the air. Through the process of photosynthesis, trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This helps fight climate change. By sequestering carbon, trees play a vital role in reducing global warming and its associated impacts, such as extreme weather events and rising sea levels. Agroforestry is a powerful tool for a healthier planet. By integrating trees into our farming systems, we can create more sustainable and resilient landscapes that benefit both people and the environment. It's a win-win solution for a healthier land and a healthier planet. Section 4. Growing more than just food. Agroforestry provides extra income for farmers. Trees offer fruits, nuts, timber, and other products. These can be sold for profit, diversifying income streams. Farmers can also use tree products on their farms, reducing costs. This diverse approach makes farms more resilient. If one crop fails, others can still thrive. Agroforestry empowers farmers and strengthens local economies. It's a sustainable solution for a secure future. It's Section 5. Technology and the tree crops. Technology plays a vital role in modern agroforestry. Drones and sensors monitor tree health and soil conditions. This data helps farmers make informed decisions. Precision tools optimize planting and harvesting, increasing efficiency. Technology also improves the processing and marketing of agroforestry products. Online platforms connect farmers directly with consumers. This allows them to get fair prices for their products. Technology empowers agroforestry for a brighter future. Section 6. Agroforestry around the world. Agroforestry is gaining popularity globally. Organizations like the World Agroforestry Center are promoting its benefits. They conduct research, train farmers, and influence policies. Governments are implementing programs to encourage agroforestry adoption. From the Amazon rainforest to the African savanna, agroforestry is transforming landscapes. It's restoring degraded lands, improving livelihoods, and mitigating climate change. This global movement is creating a more sustainable future for all. Section 7. The future of farming. As we look ahead, the way we approach agriculture is set to undergo a significant transformation. Agroforestry is not just a farming technique, it's a vision for the future. This innovative approach integrates trees and shrubs into crop and livestock systems, creating a more diverse, productive, and sustainable land use system. As we face climate change and food security challenges, agroforestry offers a solution. The integration of trees into farming systems can help mitigate the impacts of extreme weather, such as droughts and floods, by improving soil health and water retention. It's a way to produce food while protecting our planet. Trees act as windbreaks, reduce soil erosion, and enhance biodiversity, creating a resilient agricultural ecosystem that can withstand environmental stresses. By embracing agroforestry, we can create a world where farming is in harmony with nature. This approach not only benefits the environment, but also supports local communities by providing diverse sources of income and improving food security. It's a future where farmers thrive, ecosystems flourish, and food security is ensured for generations to come. Agroforestry systems can sequester carbon, helping to combat climate change while providing habitats for wildlife and enhancing the beauty of our landscapes. Agroforestry is the future of farming. By integrating trees and crops, we can create a sustainable, resilient, and productive agricultural system that benefits both people and the planet. This is the path forward for a healthier, more sustainable world.